The digital age has brought about unprecedented technological advancements, but it has also ushered in a new era of sophisticated cyber threats. Cybercriminals are becoming increasingly adept at bypassing traditional security measures, making it more challenging than ever to protect sensitive data. Organizations must adopt proactive security measures to counter these evolving threats. Endpoint detection and response, or EDR, has emerged as a critical component of modern cybersecurity strategies. Endpoint detection and response, or EDR, is a cybersecurity solution designed to monitor and protect endpoints or devices from cyber threats. It provides real-time visibility into endpoint activity, enabling organizations to detect, investigate, and respond to threats swiftly and effectively. EDR goes beyond traditional antivirus software by providing deeper insights into malicious activities happening on endpoints, allowing for more proactive and comprehensive threat management. EDR solutions work by continuously monitoring endpoint activity. They collect data from various sources, including files, processes, network connections, and user behavior. This data is then analyzed for suspicious patterns and anomalies that may indicate malicious activity. If a threat is detected, EDR systems can automatically take action to contain the threat, such as isolating the affected endpoint or blocking malicious processes. EDR offers several benefits over traditional security solutions. It provides enhanced visibility into endpoint activity, enabling organizations to detect and respond to threats that may have otherwise gone unnoticed. EDR's real-time monitoring and analysis capabilities allow for rapid threat detection, minimizing the potential damage caused by cyber attacks. Section 5. Common features of EDR solutions. While specific features may vary depending on the vendor and solution, most EDR solutions share several common features. These include endpoint data collection. EDR agents are deployed on endpoints to collect data on file changes, process execution, network connections, and user activity. This data is crucial for understanding the behavior of endpoints and identifying any anomalies that may indicate a security threat. By continuously monitoring these activities, EDR solutions can provide a comprehensive view of endpoint health and security. Threat detection and analysis. EDR solutions use various techniques such as signature-based detection, behavioral analysis, and machine learning to identify known and unknown threats. Signature-based detection relies on known threat signatures, while behavioral analysis looks for unusual patterns of behavior. Machine learning enhances these capabilities by identifying new and evolving threats that traditional methods might miss. This multi-layered approach ensures a robust defense against a wide range of cyber threats. Alerting and reporting. When a potential threat is detected, EDR systems generate alerts and provide detailed reports to security teams for further investigation. These alerts are often prioritized based on the severity of the threat, helping security teams to focus on the most critical issues first. Detailed reports include information on the nature of the threat, affected endpoints, and recommended actions, enabling a swift and effective response. Threat response and remediation. EDR solutions offer automated and manual response options, such as endpoint isolation, process termination, and file quarantine, to contain and remediate threats. Automated responses can quickly neutralize threats without human intervention, while manual options allow security teams to take control when needed. This flexibility ensures that organizations can respond to threats in the most appropriate manner, minimizing potential damage and ensuring business continuity. Section 6. Data at the forefront. EDR's data collection prowess. In today's digital landscape, the ability to gather and analyze data is crucial for maintaining robust cybersecurity defenses. EDR solutions excel in their ability to collect and aggregate vast amounts of data from endpoints, providing a comprehensive view of the security posture. This data encompasses a wide range of activities including file changes, EDR monitors, file creations, modifications, and deletions, providing insights into potential malware infections or data breaches. This continuous monitoring ensures that any unauthorized changes are quickly detected and addressed. Process execution. By tracking process execution, EDR can identify suspicious processes that may indicate malicious activity. This helps in early detection of threats such as ransomware or unauthorized software installations. Network connections. EDR monitors network connections established by endpoints, helping to detect unauthorized data exfiltration or communication with malicious servers. This is vital for preventing data leaks and ensuring secure communication channels. User behavior. EDR can analyze user behavior patterns to identify anomalies that may suggest compromised accounts or insider threats. By understanding normal user behavior, EDR can more effectively pinpoint deviations that may indicate security issues, thus enhancing overall protection. Section 7. Threat Intelligence and Analysis. EDR's brainpower. The effectiveness of EDR lies not only in its data collection capabilities, but also in its ability to analyze the collected data for potential threats. EDR solutions employ sophisticated threat intelligence and analysis techniques to identify known and unknown threats, including signature-based detection. EDR compares collected data against a database of known malware signatures to identify and block known threats. Behavioral analysis. EDR analyzes endpoint behavior patterns to detect anomalies that may indicate malicious activity, even if the threat is previously unknown. Machine learning. Some advanced EDR solutions leverage machine learning algorithms to improve threat detection accuracy and identify new and evolving threats. Section 8. Responding to threats. EDR's actionable insights. EDR empowers security teams with actionable insights to respond to threats effectively. These insights are crucial for timely and precise actions, ensuring that threats are neutralized before they can cause significant damage. When a threat is detected, EDR solutions provide detailed information about the threat, including its source, affected endpoints, and potential impact. This comprehensive data allows security teams to understand the full scope of the threat and devise appropriate countermeasures. This information enables security teams to take swift and informed actions. Isolate affected endpoints. EDR allows for the isolation of compromised endpoints from the network, preventing the threat from spreading to other devices. This containment strategy is vital in minimizing the potential damage and maintaining the integrity of the network. Terminate malicious processes. EDR can terminate malicious processes running on affected endpoints, stopping the threat's execution. By halting these processes, EDR ensures that the malicious activity is immediately ceased, protecting the system from further harm. Quarantine or delete malicious files. EDR can quarantine or delete malicious files, ensuring they no longer pose a threat. This step is crucial in removing the threat completely from the system and preventing any future reactivation. Conduct root cause analysis. EDR provides detailed logs and forensic data that can be used to investigate the root cause of the attack and improve security posture. By understanding how the attack occurred, security teams can implement measures to prevent similar incidents in the future, thereby strengthening the overall security framework. Section 9. Challenges and considerations in EDR implementation. While EDR offers significant security advantages, organizations need to consider several challenges and considerations when implementing EDR solutions. Data management. EDR solutions generate large amounts of data, requiring robust data management and storage solutions. System compatibility. EDR solutions need to be compatible with existing endpoint operating systems and security software. Deployment and configuration. Deploying and configuring EDR solutions across an organization can be complex and time-consuming. Alert fatigue. EDR solutions can generate a high volume of alerts, potentially leading to alert fatigue among security teams. Cost. EDR solutions can be costly, especially for large organizations with many endpoints. Section 10. EDR in the modern cybersecurity landscape. In today's threat landscape, EDR has become an indispensable component of a robust cybersecurity strategy for organizations of all sizes. The ability to detect and respond to threats in real time is crucial for mitigating the risk and impact of cyber attacks. As cyber threats continue to evolve and become more sophisticated, the importance of EDR will only continue to grow. Section 11. Conclusion. Embracing EDR for a secure future. Endpoint detection and response, or EDR, represents a significant advancement in cybersecurity, providing organizations with the tools and visibility they need to combat modern cyber threats. By embracing EDR and partnering with experienced cybersecurity professionals, organizations can strengthen their security posture, protect their sensitive data, and navigate the digital landscape with greater confidence. Don't wait for a cyber attack to happen. Contact Almond Consulting today to learn more about how EDR can enhance your organization's cybersecurity defenses. Our team of experts can help you select, deploy, and manage the right EDR solution for your specific needs.